Hi, my name is Anna. Welcome back to the Citizen Lash channel. If you're someone who is wanting to bring on Citizen DIY lashes as a service, this video is for you. All you need for this service is some Citizen DIY lashes and a chair. All right, so let's get into it. So what kind of style do you find that you usually gravitate towards for lashes?
I like that cat eye look, but I think if we're gonna keep them on for a few days, I want them a bit more natural.
Awesome, sounds good. So, and do you like fuller or more lighter?
I think fuller.
Fuller
Side, yeah.
Sounds good. Okay, perfect. And you said that you wanted to keep them on for a couple days. So I think because you want them to last, I'm gonna send you over to the bathroom just so you can give your lashes a cleanse, because that'll rid all of the oils from your eyes and your lashes, so that the glue connects effortlessly to the lashes and they won't fall off sooner. So I'll send you over to the bathroom. You can do that, and then we'll go ahead and get into application. Okay, so this is our daily lash cleanser, and then this is our cleansing brush. So just go ahead and put a pump onto the brush or directly onto your eye. Make sure your eye is closed, of course. And you're gonna work in circular motions and downwards on your lashes, and just make sure you get your entire upper and lower eye area. So you just rid all of the oils, and then really rinse the lashes well afterwards as well.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.